Okay, here I am walking in from the front door. To the left of the stairs going down, the railing has been taken out. There's the master bedroom, which you can see is full of junk. I'll just walk in and show you the master bath now. Turn on some lights. We're obviously not using it yet. Okay, walking back out of the master bedroom into the family room, which, as you can see, is empty. There's the patio or the deck. Okay. Here we are walking across the family room into the kitchen. There's the island, such as it is so far. To the right, here's the new pantry, which is quite commodious. Next to the pantry is the hole there is for the microwave and oven, and then a big space for pans and stuff on top. And then just more cabinets. I think that's the appliance garage, where ultimately will be. There's some more cabinets. The space there is for the dishwasher. There's the sink. More cabinets. And then there's the space for the fridge. Some cabinets on top. I'm moving around to the other side of the island. It's a good sized island. Should probably hold about 3 stools. This will be my bar. That's to the right of the door going out to the porch. This is another cabinet over to the left of the door. And there's the door going out to the screen porch. There's a chandelier that will soon be history. And we'll look back into the family room. That's about it.